Welcome to PLA's Topic Explorer series. Today we will explore the revision process, a beginner's guide to proofreading. Let's dive in. Revision Checklist, a beginner's guide to proofreading. Presented by Progressive Learning Academy Canada, your partner in virtual learning. Introduction. There are 9 essential tips we have to follow when revising a paper. Let's go through each one and check them out. Before starting, remember to utilize note-taking for increased retention and pause the video as needed. Let's reflect. Question time. What do you do after you are finished writing a paper? Currently or in the past? Note it down. Don't worry if you are not currently revising your work. After this video, you will know where to start. Number 1. Capitalization. 1. Are the first words in each of your sentences capitalized? 2. Are all of the proper nouns in your work capitalized? Be sure to check this when going through your first revision. Number 2. Organization. 1. Are the words in the correct order? 2. Are there any words missing? 3. Are there any extra unnecessary words? Consider this when revising. Number 3. Punctuation. 1. Is there correct punctuation at the end of every sentence? 2. Are commas in the correct places? Always consider this. Number 4. Spelling. 1. Are all of the words I know spelled correctly? 2. Do I need a dictionary or an online resource to look up any words I do not know? Always consider this. Number 5. Take breaks. Step away from your work for a while before revising. This allows you to approach your writing with fresh eyes, especially when you have a lot of work to revise. Break it up into small chunks of time. Number 6. Read aloud. Remember to read your work aloud. Reading your work aloud can help you catch errors in grammar, punctuation, and flow. You can always practice with a peer or family member as well if needed. Number 7. Utilize tools. Utilize spelling and grammar checking tools as well as style guides to assist you in the proofreading process. Make sure you are noting down new tips. Number 8. Get feedback. Have someone else read your work or use peer review to gain insights from others. They may spot errors or provide suggestions you might have missed. Keep up the great work. We are almost there. Number 9. Take your time. Last but certainly not least, take your time. Rushing through the revision process can lead to overlooking errors. Set aside sufficient time to thoroughly review your work. Excellent job today. We hope these 9 essential tips will help you improve or create your revision process. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. We upload K through 12 math, English, or science topic explorer videos daily. Happy learning!